Is type 1 diabetes curable? The answer to the above question is, no, type 1 diabetes is incurable. But the good news is that controlling the condition so that there are no dangerous complications is completely within the reach of the patient and family. Type 1 diabetes is understood as the patient's body does not produce insulin on its own or produces too little insulin. This leads to a state that when the sugar in food is loaded into the body, it will not enter the cells but cause stagnation and accumulation in the blood. Excessively high blood sugar in people with type 1 diabetes will cause symptoms such as blurred vision, frequent fatigue, numbness in the hands and feet, etc. Therefore, managing diabetes is to keep your blood sugar levels in check. Patients in the normal range. However, this amount of sugar must still be enough to ensure the patient's normal activity and development. If you do a good job of managing your blood sugar, symptoms and complications are unlikely to appear for a long time. On the contrary, if the management plan is not implemented well, it will lead to the patient facing cardiovascular, kidney, eye complications. How to develop a strict management plan for type 1 diabetes. Type 1 diabetes, insulin injections help control blood sugar. To closely manage blood sugar, people with type 1 diabetes need 1. Inject insulin as indicated. People with type 1 diabetes must take insulin, an important hormone that helps the body convert sugar into energy, as part of managing the disease. Currently, the only way to get insulin into the body is by injection or pump. Putting insulin into the body in pill form won't work. This is because the acids along with digestive juices in the stomach and intestines break down the medicine. This causes the pill to lose its effect completely. There are different types of insulin that serve different purposes. The type of insulin and the daily dose will depend on the patient's body and daily schedule. As the patient matures, the amount of insulin needed may change. Today, insulin injections are almost painless thanks to needles with very small contact surfaces. 2. Stem cell device transplant for people with type 1 diabetes. Daily insulin injections will be replaced with stem cell transplant therapy. In the United States, the company Viaside conducted experiments to verify the effectiveness of the method. The way it works is as follows: there is a device called PPEC Direct, which contains pancreatic islet cells and is implanted under the patient's skin. When inserted into the body, this device automatically produces C-peptide, the component that produces insulin. 3. Eating healthy will help stabilize blood sugar. People with diabetes will have to pay more attention to their diet than the average person. Let's build a balanced, healthy and suitable menu for your health and body. In addition, be careful to avoid certain foods with high sugar content because they will cause symptoms that interfere with daily activities. Food consumed daily usually provides 4 main groups of nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Carbohydrate foods cause blood sugar to rise the most. Foods that contain protein, fat, fiber, vitamins and minerals do not have much of an effect on blood sugar. After all, our bodies need all of these nutrients but in different proportions to function properly. One of the recommended diets that are suitable for people with diabetes is the keto diet. However, getting the help of a doctor or nutritionist to come up with a suitable menu is still the most important thing. 4. Check your blood sugar periodically. Regular blood sugar checks will help you monitor whether your diabetes is being controlled effectively. Blood glucose testing will be done using a continuous blood glucose monitor, CGM. The measure glycemic index CGM more frequently will help you and your doctor and anticipate symptoms and insulin dose adjustments and management plan your diabetes better. 5. Exercise regularly. Exercise is also an important part of a diabetes management plan. Regular physical activity helps keep blood sugar levels stable. It can also reduce the risk of other health problems that people with diabetes may be prone to, such as heart disease. You should discuss with your doctor to be able to get an exercise plan that is suitable for the menu and the amount of insulin that is put into the body. Besides, discussing with your doctor can help you overcome difficulties encountered during exercise. For example, hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia.